Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your bank account to a prepaid card in 2025. With digital banking evolving rapidly, this process has become easier and more secure than ever. Whether you're managing your budget, sending money to family, or just topping up for everyday expenses, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your bank and prepaid card are compatible. In 2025, most major banks support direct transfers to prepaid cards via apps or online portals, but always double-check your card's provider for any specific requirements. Start by logging into your bank's mobile app or website. Most offer a seamless experience with biometric security like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Here, you'll need to add your prepaid card as a recipient. Enter the card details carefully, including the account number and routing info if required. Pro tip: if your prepaid card is linked to a digital wallet, like Apple Pay or Google Wallet, you might be able to transfer funds even faster. Next, select the amount you want to transfer and review any potential fees. In 2025, many banks have reduced transfer fees, but watch out for charges from the prepaid card issuer. Aim to transfer during off-peak times to minimize costs. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with a PIN or two-factor authentication for added security. After the transfer is initiated, keep an eye on your accounts. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but instant options are becoming common. Always verify the transaction in your bank's history to ensure everything went smoothly. A few quick tips to keep in mind: use a secure network to avoid any risks, double-check all details to prevent errors, and consider setting up alerts for future transfers. If you run into issues, customer support is just a chat away in most apps. There you have it. Transferring money has never been simpler. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.